Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the machine. Log in with an administrator account and create a restore point so you can roll back if needed. Once done, disconnect from the internet to avoid remote updates or interference. Next, open Settings and go to Apps, then Optional Features to quickly check whether Windows Security is listed. If it is missing, do not run random installers. Instead, note the exact missing components. This establishes a safe baseline and prevents chasing misleading symptoms later. You will repair the system component store and system files. First, open an elevated PowerShell and run dism with the Restore Health command to fix the component store. This repairs corruption at the image level. Once dism completes, run sfc/scano to repair protected system files that Windows Security uses. If Windows Security still does not appear, use PowerShell to reinstall the Windows Security package directly, making sure to run the exact package name and to wait until each command finishes without errors. You finish by rebooting the PC and reconnecting to the internet, then check services for Windows Security-related services and ensure they are running. Open the Windows Security app and reset its settings, or run the built-in troubleshooter to refresh registrations. If the app still fails, perform an in-place upgrade repair with official Windows installation media to restore missing components without losing files. One key troubleshooting tip: if a third-party antivirus previously blocked reinstallation,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.